quote that says, people never fail, they only stop trying. So if I never stop trying and I could never fail, then tell me, why do I fear to even start trying? For all these years where I uncuffed my potential, locked away my dreams, scheduled to be released sometime in the future. Have I gotten too complacent? Too comfortable of being mediocre? Yes, the bills are late again, but what's new? What's true is that I was meant to be more than the man that I am, the man that my daughter is my biggest fan, the man that my family needs me to be. I must need this as much as they need me. I had a plan. I just never executed it. All these years I got into a relationship with procrastination that keep telling me don't worry about it. We eventually get to it. I never did. So I wrote this poem. I must first learn how to always put God first. Then I must remove tomorrow from my vocabulary. Starting tonight, I will take a stance. I no longer allow success to pass me by. I will no longer make excuses, but I will live and die by my decisions. Starting tonight, I will no longer allow others to judge me by my past, but by the substance of my character and my future endeavors. Starting tonight, I will no longer look at life through my bad experiences, but through that telescope of hope. Starting tonight, I will no longer settle, but I will demand the best for myself. I will learn how to better know who to call my friend. And in my times of needs, I will always know how to ask for help. But I will no longer keep going through those revolving doors, making the same mistakes and expecting different results. But from this moment forward, I will regain the respect of my family. And I will inspire my peers, because starting tonight will be the rest of my successful tomorrows. Because in the morning, I will wake up my dream, dust off my potential, slap my pride, and start writing a new poem titled Success.